Preschool Worksheet ideas for exciting home learning activities. Discover the importance of early childhood education through engaging home learning activities. Preschool worksheets not only reinforce classroom learning, but also spark curiosity and creativity in young minds. Introducing academic concepts at an early age with preschool worksheets can turn learning into a rewarding experience. These activities offer unique hands-on experiences that traditional classrooms might not provide. The Department of Education has found that preschool worksheet activities boost cognitive development by 20%, reinforcing the concepts taught in school. Preschool worksheets are key to active learning, serving as tangible, interactive materials that simplify complex concepts for young learners. These worksheets capture kids' attention with creative challenges, promoting exploration-based learning while teaching essential skills like tracing lines, identifying colors, and recognizing shapes. Structured activities, especially those involving preschool worksheets, are crucial for developing cognitive abilities during this formative period. Preschool worksheets support hands-on learning, increasing engagement and stimulating young minds. They help with basic skill recognition and fine motor development, crucial for future academic success. By incorporating interactive elements, worksheets provide a balance of learning and fun, perfectly suited for preschoolers' boundless energy and curiosity. Interactive worksheets challenge children's minds, enhancing their knowledge and refining motor skills, catering to various learning styles and ensuring effective lesson absorption. Despite the rise of digital learning platforms, it's important to maintain a balance with traditional preschool worksheets, creating a strong foundation for young learners. Crafting effective worksheets involves tailoring content to diverse learners, recognizing the unique ways children absorb knowledge, and ensuring materials support various learning styles. Understanding that children have different learning preferences is essential. Worksheets should cater to visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and logical thinkers, providing a personalized learning experience. Incorporating multisensory approaches into worksheet design enhances understanding and retention, engaging children's senses and supporting developmental needs. Preschool worksheets are invaluable for measuring progress, offering insights into a child's development and helping educators and parents track learning outcomes. Setting achievable milestones with educational printables guides a preschool child's learning journey, covering various aspects of early education and supporting holistic growth.